Hey friends, so this account that you see right here, it makes $400 up to $600 per one post on Instagram. So if this person takes his time and posts anything on Instagram, just per one post, he gets paid $500, $600 per one post. So I'm very excited about this because if you're just going to follow all these necessary steps that I'm going to show you in this video, you'll be in a position to start making more than $12,000. And I'm not saying that you can make $12,000 on your first month as a first paycheck, but you can at least make $4,000, $3,000, but you can really make a decent amount of money following all these steps that I'm going to show you in this video. And the very good thing about this is that this money making method on Instagram is available all over the world. So it doesn't matter if you're from Africa, it really doesn't matter about your location. And in this video, I'm going to show you step by step on how you can make money and how you can start getting paid on Instagram just by posting dogs video. This is very interesting, but it's very simple, and I'm pretty sure that you're just going to start making money right after watching this video. So let's now dive in. So this is our very first step. You have to go to this website, which is called Pexels, and then you have to search on this search box. As you can see here, you just have to write dogs video, and I'm writing here dogs video. Then you have to click here videos. Now you have to scroll down to see all these dogs video. There are too many dogs video on this website, and I'm just gonna scroll down, and you have to download at least 5 dog videos. You can download as many as you can, but for today you have to start downloading at least 5 videos from this website. And these videos are for free. You don't have to pay for anything. You can just click here this place which is written as download or save. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and choose this video. I'm gonna download this video. So I've just downloaded at least 5 videos from this website, and right after downloading these videos from this website, now I'm just gonna show you how you can make money just using these videos on your Instagram account. So this is what we have to do for the next step. So this is our second step, and this is very interesting because now let's get back to Instagram. And first of all, I'm going to show you this account. As you can see here, this account is generating insane amount of money. As you can see, this account is only posting dogs video, and it gets paid a lot of money from different companies. So I'm going to show you all this step and how you can also make money just as this person how is making money, and you're just going to use the same method that this person uses to make money on Instagram, and you can also start making money on Instagram in a very easy way. So how you can start making money on Instagram just by posting dogs video. So there are this company which is called Doggo Comfy, and this company is willing to pay you decent amount of money just by promoting different dogs items. So since you are posting different videos on your Instagram account, and many of your followers are dog lovers, they love watching videos about dogs and all the stuff. So every time that these followers or viewers are going to purchase anything that you promoted on your Instagram account, you get a commission. The only work that you have to do is you posting these videos, and you can find these followers who are going to buy different items that you promote on your account, and this is what you make money on Instagram account. I know you may be thinking that maybe this is very hard, you cannot do this because you really cannot expect to get commission just by promoting dogs items. Right now I'm going to show you this important thing for you to understand before you go forward and start posting dogs video. You really need to understand how much you can start charging these companies and how much you can start getting paid just from Instagram. So we have to go to this website which is called Influencer Marketing Hub. So this is a website that can help us to estimate on how much you can charge and how much you can get paid as Instagram influencer. So this is what you have to do. First of all, you have to go to this website which is called Influencer Marketing Hub. Then you have to scroll down, then click Instagram post calculator. So on this calculator, you will see how much you'll start charging these companies looking out for you to promote their product or their services. So let's assume that you have more than 10,000 followers on your Instagram account, and you get at least 3,000 likes on each post that you post on Instagram. That means you can charge this company that they want to promote their product on your account $60 up to $90. But if you get more than 25 likes on your Instagram account on your one post on Instagram account, you can go ahead and charge at least $300 per every post for each company that you want to promote their product. So you can see it always depends on how many followers that you have, but also how many likes you get per every post that you post on Instagram. I think for you to make at least $500 up to $600 on Instagram, you just need to have at least a lot of followers and you get a lot of likes on each video or each post that you post on the Instagram account. But it always depends on how many videos that you're posting on Instagram for you to get engagement. So if you're a beginner on this, you just have to download these videos on Pexels. There are a lot of free videos that you can download for free and start posting on Instagram, and you can post at least 5 videos a day. So the more you keep posting these videos, the more you get engagement and the more you get followers who are going to trust you, and they're just gonna buy anything that you promote on your Instagram account. So it always starts with you, on how many videos that you just want to post and how clean your page is, so many people can trust your page and start purchasing everything that you promote on your Instagram account. So I'm pretty sure that if you're just going to take at least 2 months of posting dogs video on Instagram, this account of yours is going to grow in a very fast way, and you can start getting approached by these companies that you want to promote their products on your Instagram account and you get paid. So I'd encourage, if you don't have anything to do, you can just use this as biggest opportunity that you can have, and you can start making money just by posting dogs video on Instagram. And the good thing about this website is available all over the world. You can start making money just by doing that. The only thing that I want to say that it's not going to be easy on your first days, but if you post interesting content on Instagram, your account can reach to a wider audience and you can start making money just by posting those videos. This is very interesting and this is really working because not a lot of accounts on Instagram are posting those videos. So you can take it as the biggest chance that you have, because there is not many competitors on what you're gonna do to make money just by posting those videos. So thanks so much for watching my videos. My name is Hans David and I hope to see you next time. Thank you so much and see you next time.